Barr Camp, 12.6 miles round trip, 3,500 foot elevation gain. This section of the video is dedicated to the topographic overview. The Barr Trailhead is located to the left of the Manitou Incline and at the top of Ruxton Avenue. Your hike up to Barr Camp is going to be 12.6 miles round trip, and you're going to travel over 3,500 foot in elevation gain. I want you to be prepared if you do this hike to know that the first 3.5 miles has a lot of elevation gain. But that's okay, keep smiling, because when you hit mile 3.5, the trail flattens out for the next 2 miles. So from mile 3.5 to 5.5, it's relatively flat. Something else you need to know, on Barr Trail, every half mile there's a half mile marker. This was done by an Eagle Scout project, so those are really helpful to understand where you're at. Barr Trail is commonly used to access Pikes Peak, which is a 14er in the Front Range. Barr Camp is about the halfway mark to get to the summit of Pikes Peak. Most people will actually stay in or around Barr Camp for the night and then in the morning finish up the summit. This topographic mapping tool is called Cotrex. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so that you can click it and go to this map that I have on the screen. Today I'm running up to Barr Camp. This is going to be for some training that I'm starting for the ascent. Hope you enjoy. All right, that's 3 miles in 51 minutes. Three and a half miles. Miles. and 30 minutes so far. Oh, I feel so proud. Made it to Barr Camp in 1 hour, 57 minutes. That's a lot of elevation gain. Personal record. Whew, that was rough. Got a lot of training to do, but I hit a personal record. I'm very excited. I feel very proud. 1 hour and 57 minutes. Now to get some food in my body and water. Current caretakers are Ellen and Travis. Let's go say hi to them.
As long as everything looks clean, I'm okay with it.
Already eating a chicken teriyaki. Just got the hot water in it. Picked out some shirts. Gonna get a green, a blue, dark blue, and then a couple of these designs.
I figured I'd just write them and say I was.
Hey Ellen, did you mark those two down, by the way?
No, I did not.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't have that little.
I'm gonna wear this down like a backpack. Just gonna stretch in the plastic a little bit. About the best I can do since I don't have a pack or anything. I just ran up here. With nothing on. Well, if you haven't been here, this is pretty cool. There's a Pikes Peak Atlas right out front. Way to go, way to go, woo!
Come on, baby girl.
Okay, I just finished 3 hours, 13 minutes total. So it's that downhill, 1 hour, 16 minutes. Pretty happy with that. Went down the incline, cut a couple miles off the bar.